一つ、二つ、
二つ、
三つ、
三つ、二つ、三つ、二つ、二つ、三つ。
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to remember that. 二つ fried potato. 一つ fried potato.
Do you know 双子 twins? Twins is 双子.
So like my students are fraternal twins, so I call them futago. I mean futago.
双子. Because you know 子供の子と双子で双子だから two like two kids, two 子供.
Oh, that's so dope.
双子.
My mom is a futago.
Your mom?
Yeah, she's a twin. She's got a twin sister.
Same like looks.
Fraternal, so they're both female, but they look different.
Oh, okay.
You remember the marine friend? My marine friend that just showed up at my house one night. Yeah.
He's also 双子か.
Yeah. Yeah. We call him the ugly twin because he's ugly inside and out. And then his brother, we call him the pretty twin. They're fraternal twins because he's pretty on the outside and he's beautiful on the inside. Yeah.
Why did that happen?
I don't know. Somewhere down the line, he just became an asshole.
Samu? ようやるわ。寒。
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
I don't want to do this. 寒。これ。
Get all the way in.
うわ。My ass! You're such a dog.
Monster ball, go!
No!
Come on, Genya, you can do it.
We gotta get the ball!
うわ、寒い。あ、やばい。あー！うわ。You want a monster? It's so squishy though. Like a meat. Yeah.
Wait, over here, I'm open! Go! Monster ball, go!
あー！うわー！冷た。
Nice.
おー！スーパーバウンシー。
Monster ball, go!
Come on! あー！ブーボー！ Come on! あー！早い！おー、ナイスキャッチ。Yeah. Close. うわ、怖っ。Nice throw. Ah. No. In underwater. No, it's so cold today.
Yeah, but just get in, you'll feel better. Trust me.
I don't trust. うわー、冷たい。
Like, dude, I feel fine. It sucks when I
Yeah, cause you. Cause you.
No, trust me. It's everyone.
Not for me. It's freaking cold. Wow, nice one.
Oh, this one.
I hit my.
I like this ball. It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's a cool toy.
Yep. What's the name? Ja.
Chin.
Chin. Chin. I said. You shouldn't say that.
Monster ball. Go!
No. Chikai. Monster boo. Go. You monster boo.
You are fine.
いや寒いわ。
頑張って。
いやこれは無理よ今日は。
頑張って。
寒いって。
No, just jump in. Trust me. Just jump in.
You monster.
Gee, I'm fine. I'm not a monster ball.
That's why I'm throwing it.
Hey, ちょっと待ってください。
Sorry ごめん。海ちゃん。海。海。